everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. I'm going to do another video today. I think this one will come out on Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you have a great day with your family and friends. And I'm going to be working on this canvas. It's 16 by 14. This shape, I'm not sure what they call that, but I'm going to be working on it today. So I want to show you from my last video. It's minimal clouds. They didn't cloud up as big as I've had some in the past, but it's still a beautiful painting. Looks really good. I'm really happy with that one. So let's just get on with this one. I know a lot of people won't want to watch them on Thanksgiving, but maybe after everybody leaves, you'll want to relax and watch some videos. So let's just get to it. Gonna have this blue color. I mixed 3 different color blues together to get this beautiful color blue. That's going to be the background. I know everything will be listed in the description below what colors I mixed together to get this color. So let's just get this poured on. Hopefully it'll be enough. I'm thinking it will be. Probably should have painted my sides beforehand, so I didn't have to worry about it, but I can do that later, I guess, if it doesn't cover well. Hope everybody's doing good. And I know here where I live, they've shut everything down again because of the virus going out of control. So I hope where you're at, things are better than where I'm at. All the restaurants and everything are all shut down again. I know people are really getting tired of it. Some of the restaurants have refused to shut down, and they're starting to even fine them for not shutting down. So I don't know what's going to happen, what's going to go on. I know some people are even afraid to get together with their family for Thanksgiving. You know, they're even afraid to even just to have family around. And I think that's so sad. Might have too much on here, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I hope my torch works today. It's been giving me fits, and I just haven't been out anywhere to buy a new one. I guess I'm staying pretty close to home myself. I shouldn't say about anybody else, because I surely don't want to be sick. A lot of bubbles in here. I just made the paint, so just mixed it up. I think I already see a hair in it. Always the peril of having dogs. There it is. Okay. Now I have other paints here. Try and put some down the middle here. I've been trying to master the feather again, and I haven't had much luck on it. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Whether it works or not, I don't know. If it doesn't, we'll try something else. I used to be able to do them so well. And now they just, I don't know, I can't seem to get the hang of it anymore. The last ones I did, I had in a art gallery, and they sold right away. And ever since then, I haven't been able to do them. I think I lost my touch. One more color, and we'll see what we can do with this. I know Olga Solby, I think that's her name, has been doing wonders with them. They look so great. Now I'm going to take this and try and swipe out like this some to start with. And I'm going all the way to the canvas, I see. Trying not to. I need to wipe this off every time, and I didn't. Let's try this again. Might have too much base paint going on here. That one didn't even connect. Going up there. Okay, let's try the other side. Hands are shaky today. Looks like a little weird feather, but it's getting there. We'll get it fixed one way or another. Hope that fills back in. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I need some more color. Let's see if this works. Need some more color on this side. Oops, come on. There we go. Just went and got my puppy groomed, so she's all nice and pretty for the holidays. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Take this. Get my stem. Run down. Okay, now let's try and get some flingies going here, like the ends of feathers do. Maybe it won't be too bad. I'll have to clean it up a little bit from all the splatters. clean the blue up. One thing, you can just take your finger and dab at it. And get rid of all the drips that you made if you don't want them there. Sometimes you want them there, sometimes you don't. I saw her do one and it looked really pretty because she did some flingies out from it. It looked really neat. Let's see, I've got some canvas showing in here. Need to fill it in some. There we go. That worked. I think I need to, I want it to be copper, so what I'm gonna do is lay a bead of copper down, and then I'll run my palette knife on the edge, just like that. I'll start up here, and I'll go down the middle to make my stem that goes in the middle of the leaf. Fill that in. And there we go. Get some more on there to get the edges. Take that off. Okay. All my paint is sinking. And that's a sign that I got too much of my base coat. So you want to be aware of that. The only thing you can do is just keep playing with it until it comes back out, I guess. I don't want to mess it up though, because I like it the way that it is. Darn it. Don't want to mess that up. And I think I already have. I think I messed my center line up, but we can fix that. All I have to do is put some more on it and go back through. Where I was at, and voila, there it is. I think I'm having trouble with this up here. I don't want that up here. I'll have to do, and then just cover it up. With the blue. If you don't like it, you can take it off and cover it back up. Alrighty then. It's not the best looking feather in the world. But I don't think it's the worst either. Okay, let's give it a torch. See if I can get my torch to working again. There we go. As you know, this is abstract painting, so it's an abstract leaf. It's an abstract feather. What can I say? Alrighty then. Here we go. It's a close up. I hope you like it. I kind of do. It's all right. Get more practice as I go along. Get rid of some of that over splatter there. Hands wiped off. Appreciate you watching on Thanksgiving. I hope everybody gets full of turkey and you have a great day with your family. Tell your family about me since they're there. I hope they're there with you and your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Love to hear from you. Oh, it's been a great day for me. I have family here with me on Thanksgiving, so that's always fun. I love my grandkids. I always love having them around. That's what makes holidays fun, is having your kids and your grandkids around. So, have a great day.